Hello, how are you doing? I'm Robert from DINTALKS, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at the best drawing tablets on the market this year based on price versus performance. So whether you're looking for a budget option or the best of the best, we will have an option for you. And as always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. We always keep the description up to date with information that wasn't mentioned in the video. So, for the most up-to-date information along with up-to-date pricing, check out that description. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this that will help you make better buying decisions. Also, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or contributions. Let's go to the list. Number 5. Monoprice 10594 Graphic Drawing Tablet. When it comes to functionality for your drawing tablet, it doesn't get much more nuts and bolts than this option from Monoprice. If you haven't heard of the brand, then it's worth taking a look because tech heads swear by Monoprice for their cables. And in recent years, we've been increasingly more impressed with the company's ability to produce true quality products across the board. This drawing peripheral is no exception. It's a serious workhorse for the visually inclined. Let's unpack the features. It offers a 10 by 6.25 inch drawing surface that sports a 4000 LPI drawing resolution and a report rate of 200 RPS. There are 2048 levels of pen pressure, rounding out all dimensions of accuracy for the drawing surface itself. These are certainly not top-of-the-line premium numbers, but are more than eye-catching for the price. There are 16 hot zones at the top of the drawing surface that can be assigned by you, plus further assignable expression keys that'll let you do as much work as possible on the surface itself without the need to move to other accessories. It connects to the computer via USB and is compatible with basically any modern OS, and could even be modded to work on Linux. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Pro 12.3. Like a couple of the other tablets on the list, the Surface isn't strictly a drawing surface. It's a standalone device that lets you do basically everything a laptop would allow you to do. But the lines are getting blurrier and blurrier when it comes to the difference between tablets and laptops and drawing peripherals. The Microsoft Surface Pro line is a tech giant's strongest tablet effort to date. And while the original Surface generations didn't take off, these newer ones are completely viable options, especially if you're a working designer. For starters, their ultra-high resolution PixelSense displays are almost as stunning as Apple's Retina displays, and the color representation is pretty solid too. There's an added color bonus of being able to spec out and add notes on the screen about print colors that are directly compatible and readable by the OS sending print jobs to a Windows Ink printer, a great feature for designers working in print. It's powered by a full Intel Core i5 processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So, if you want to do more than just use it to draw, you'll have tons of speed. In terms of accessories, the accompanying pen and Microsoft Surface Dial are great options for those who want to be more efficient and precise in their gestures. And the screen itself offers extra accurate tracking. The whole thing is super light, and it runs on an impressive battery that Microsoft says is 50% and 68% better than the previous two generations, respectively. Number 3. Huion H610 Pro Graphic Drawing Tablet. Designed with office work in mind, this ultra-narrow tablet is wireless and fits perfectly on your desk with a keyboard, a space-saving plus for graphic designers. The tablet connects to your PC or Mac where it works on Illustrator, Maya, and other graphic design software. You'll need Windows 7 to 10 or Mac 10.10 or above. It has a 6-meter wireless connection distance and a 2,500 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 40 hours. The sleek design separates the touch and draw area so you can work without worrying about your palm accidentally touching the screen. The device has 6 customizable buttons, and 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity. Number 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. This slate is the best Android tablet available today, combining powerful internal hardware with a quality, bright, and crisp screen. Quality stylus that comes free in the box, and excellent, for a tablet, audio system. Compare the Tab S4 and the Apple iPad Pro 12.9 and it gets clobbered. But then again, you should fully expect that considering the Apple tablet costs twice as much as the Samsung slate. Compare the Tab S4 to the standard iPad, however, and things get a lot tighter with, for our money, the Samsung tablet just about getting the nod due to its superior hardware overall. The fact of the matter is, though, that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 is the best tablet for users already hooked into the Android ecosystem on the market today in 2019. And if you can afford it, compared to the still pretty darn good Samsung Galaxy Tab S3, then it's the obvious choice. Number 1, XP Pen Artist 16 Pro 15.6 Drawing Tablet. The Artist 16 is a drawing tablet by XP Pen with an extra wide viewing angle and a host of creative features that make it an excellent all-around choice for most artists. Featuring a 1080p full HD IPS display, your creations will come to life in vivid color and definition. An extra wide 178-degree viewing angle gives you the canvas you need to realize your design. And with 2078 levels of pressure sensitivity, this tablet will work for drawing, painting, editing, designing, sketching, and animating without any trouble. The Artist 16 comes with 2 rechargeable pens, a black anti-fouling glove, and an HDMI adapter. It has 8 express keys to eliminate headaches, allowing you to focus on the creative element. The adjustable display stand will also give you the freedom and flexibility you need to get in the zone. Finally, the tablet is compatible with SAI, Photoshop, and most mainstream design software. For more information, check out the description. If you liked the video, please smash the like button. If you have a question or contributions, drop it in the comments below. Also, subscribe to this channel for more information like this that will help you make better buying decisions. Enjoy the rest of your day.